best coffee shop in Bandra
is what bougie should have been.
L&T are back with our honest reviews, and today we're checking out Boca in Bandra. For drinks, we got a classic cappuccino.
Good coffee, great quantity. I enjoyed.
And a Vietnamese cold coffee, which was basically sweet heaven that I loved.
A collective 8 on 10.
For food, we got the
Stroganoff dosa, which was so good.
The ragi dosa somehow goes so well with the creamy stroganoff.
Not gonna lie, when we saw stroganoff dosa on the menu, we thought it was gonna be horrible, and that's why we ordered it. It's so f***ing good.
And I despise mushrooms, but this is so good.
A 9 on 10.
The eggs Benny wasn't on the menu, but when we asked if they have it, they said yes. But
Eggs Benedict is supposed to have a meat. This does not have a meat. And the muffin is a little hard.
It also lacks salt, so we had to give it a 5 on 10.
the vegan Boca pancake,
It doesn't have that typical fluffy, pancakey flavor, but whatever it is, it's good.
You know, it's not as dry as I thought it would be.
It's like Christmas in a pancake. It has nutmeg and cinnamon. It's so good.
8 on 10.
The turkey ham and cheese croissant was loaded with meat, but
The croissant in itself is a little dry.
It probably would have tasted better if the ham was a little smoked.
5 on 10.
the servers were extremely polite, knowledgeable, and service was quick. So an 8 on 10. We absolutely loved the ambience. The interiors are done with intention. We love the brutalist design with the soft accents of wood and green.
The bathroom was not as dry as we hoped, but it was clean and cute. 6 on 10.
Final thoughts.
We paid $23.30 for this meal.
Everything from the coffee to the vibe to most of the food was amazing.
This place definitely beats all those overhyped Bandra coffee shops.
Okay, bye. You want a piece with granola? Yeah. Top it with granola.